What if I told you that thousands of invisible machines are orbiting above your head right now, controlling your GPS, predicting dangerous storms, broadcasting television, protecting national security, and even helping scientists explore the deepest corners of the universe? These incredible machines are satellites, the silent guardians of modern civilization. Without them, there would be no GPS navigation, no satellite television, no global internet, no accurate weather forecasts, and no instant international communication. Today, we're counting down the top 10 most powerful satellites in the world and discovering how these remarkable machines are transforming life on Earth and beyond. Stay until the end to discover the satellite that may completely change the future of humanity. Space may look empty, but it is actually one of the busiest places around our planet. More than 10,000 active satellites orbit Earth, each performing a unique mission. Some monitor weather systems, some provide internet connections, some help airplanes and ships navigate safely, while others secretly observe military activities across the globe. Together, they form an invisible network that keeps the modern world connected every second of every day. A satellite is simply an object that orbits another object because of gravity. While the Moon is Earth's natural satellite, the satellites we'll discuss today are human-made spacecraft equipped with advanced cameras, antennas, scientific instruments, sensors, computers, and powerful communication systems. Depending on their mission, satellites can operate hundreds or even thousands of kilometers above Earth's surface for many years without human intervention. Our countdown begins with number 10, weather satellites. Every day, these satellites continuously observe Earth's atmosphere from space. Using advanced infrared cameras, radar systems, and atmospheric sensors, they monitor cloud formations, hurricanes, cyclones, thunderstorms, rainfall, and changing temperatures. Weather satellites allow meteorologists to issue early warnings before disasters strike, giving millions of people valuable time to prepare for floods, tornadoes, and hurricanes. Without these satellites, modern weather forecasting would be far less accurate. Coming in at number 9 are Earth observation satellites. These powerful spacecraft continuously photograph our planet with extraordinary detail. Governments, scientists, farmers, and environmental organizations rely on these images to monitor forests, glaciers, oceans, rivers, cities, farmland, and wildlife. At number 8 are communication satellites, the backbone of global communication. Positioned high above Earth in geostationary orbit, these satellites remain fixed over the same location while transmitting television broadcasts, telephone calls, internet services, emergency communications, and financial data between continents. Every time you watch live international news, make an overseas phone call, or access satellite internet in a remote location, communication satellites are quietly making it possible. Taking number 7 is the famous GPS satellite network. Every time you open a navigation app on your smartphone, order a taxi, track a delivery package, or fly on a commercial airplane, GPS satellites are working above you. More than 30 satellites orbit Earth, constantly broadcasting extremely precise timing signals. By calculating how long these signals take to reach your device, GPS receivers can determine your exact location with remarkable accuracy. At number 6 are military reconnaissance satellites, commonly known as spy satellites. These are among the most secretive spacecraft ever built. Orbiting hundreds of kilometers above Earth, they use ultra-high-resolution cameras, infrared sensors, radar imaging systems, and electronic intelligence equipment to monitor military activities around the world. These satellites can observe missile launches, track military movements, monitor naval fleets, and provide real-time intelligence to defense organizations. Although many details remain classified, spy satellites play a crucial role in national security and global surveillance. Moving into the top 5, we begin with Starlink, one of the largest satellite networks ever created. Developed by SpaceX, Starlink consists of thousands of small satellites working together to provide high-speed internet across the globe. Unlike traditional communication satellites positioned far from Earth. At number 4 is the Hubble Space Telescope. Although technically a satellite, Hubble transformed astronomy forever. Since its launch in 1990, Hubble has captured breathtaking images of distant galaxies, colorful nebulae, black holes, and exploding stars. Its observations helped scientists determine the age of the universe, study dark matter, discover exoplanets, and greatly improve our understanding of cosmic evolution. Even after more than 3 decades in orbit, Hubble continues making valuable scientific contributions. Finally, before reaching the top 3, it's important to understand that satellites are becoming increasingly intelligent. Modern spacecraft now use artificial intelligence to analyze enormous amounts of information directly in orbit. Instead of sending every piece of raw data back to Earth, AI systems can identify important events automatically, reducing communication delays and improving decision-making during emergencies. At number 4 is the Hubble Space Telescope. Although technically a satellite, Hubble transformed astronomy forever. Since its launch in 1990, Hubble has captured breathtaking images of distant galaxies, colorful nebulae, black holes, and exploding stars. Its observations helped scientists determine the age of the universe, study dark matter, discover exoplanets, and greatly improve our understanding of cosmic evolution. Even after more than 3 decades in orbit, Hubble continues making valuable scientific contributions. Finally, before reaching the top 3, it's important to understand that satellites are becoming increasingly intelligent. Modern spacecraft now use artificial intelligence to analyze enormous amounts of information directly in orbit. Instead of sending every piece of raw data back to Earth, AI systems can identify important events automatically, reducing communication delays and improving decision-making during emergencies. As we enter the top 3, we arrive at one of the greatest scientific achievements ever launched into space, the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST. Positioned nearly 1.5 million kilometers from Earth at the second Lagrange point, James Webb is the most powerful space telescope ever built. Unlike ordinary telescopes that observe mainly visible light, Webb uses advanced infrared technology to look through thick clouds of cosmic dust, revealing objects that were previously invisible. Since becoming operational, it has captured breathtaking images of ancient galaxies whose light has traveled for more than 13 billion years, allowing scientists to study the early universe shortly after the Big Bang. Webb has also discovered surprisingly mature galaxies, analyzed the atmospheres of distant exoplanets, observed newborn stars hidden inside giant clouds of gas, and provided new clues about the formation of black holes. The satellites orbiting above Earth are far more than machines, they are the silent guardians of our connected world. They guide airplanes, protect countries, predict storms, reveal the secrets of the universe, and help us communicate across the globe in seconds. As new generations of AI-powered satellites continue to launch, they will not only transform life on Earth but also become the foundation of humanity's future in space. The next great chapter of exploration has already begun, and satellites will lead the way. Which satellite amazed you the most, James Webb, GPS satellites, Starlink, or powerful spy satellites? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this documentary, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more incredible videos about space, science, technology, and the future. See you in the next adventure beyond Earth. Rocket Satellite Globe showing Europe, Africa.